Keats, skincare, poetry, or just PR? So today we're going to be talking about a brand new brand called Keats, as in John Keats, the poet, romantic, died of TB, cheerful start. But don't worry, this skincare is a little more uplifting. Now, because I've been testing their hydrating serum and moisturising cream, I've got some thoughts, some poetic. So first of all, let's just acknowledge the packaging. Oh, it's clean, elegant. It's got that I have a French lover kind of look to it. Now, both come in these gorgeous glass bottles. They feel luxe, no glitter, no unicorns, just grown-up skincare for people who, I don't know, moisturise with intent. Okay, so let's start with the hydrating serum. Now, this is your humectant layer. Look, I said it right this time. Humectant. You know, the thing that pours moisture into your skin, you know, like a dehydrated vampire. The hero ingredient, glycerin, a classic, a workhorse that never really goes out of style. Now, this is paired with panthenol, vitamin B5, and sodium PCA, no idea, and a touch of hyaluronic acid, which, yes, is of course slightly overhyped, but still really useful when used well. Now, the texture is a silky gel, incredibly fast absorbing, no tackiness, doesn't ball up, and plays nice with everything. Like a good house guest. Onto the moisturising cream. Oh, this is beautiful. Now, this is not just moisturising, this is deeply moisturising and instantly absorbing. This is rich, buttery, non-fragrance cream, thankfully non-fragrance. We've got shea butter in here, ceramides and squalane, no essential oils, no lavender hallucinations, gorgeous. Just barrier support that makes your skin look and feel like it's been emotionally validated. And crucially, like I said, it just sinks in. No greasy film, no sticky face, just soft, nourished skin. Like a cashmere jumper for your epidermis. Now, if you're dry and dehydrated, over-exfoliated, or just simply exhausted, these two powerhouse couples will make your day. Sensitive skin, no problem. Oily skin works great with oily skin. Dry skin, layer them both. It just depends on your preference. Either way, your skin is going to go, thanks very much. So, is Keats skincare poetry for the skin? I think so. Look, it doesn't promise miracles. It's not yelling about glass skin or instant lifts or dermatologist this or grade unicorn tears this, whatever. It's simple, it's effective, it looks beautiful, and everything is under £30. And this really is high-end skincare at a way more affordable price. I like it. My face likes it. And if John Keats was around, he'd probably approve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.